ASE Go-Kart presents a senior capstone project. After planning and preparing for our project for 4 months, we began constructing the go-kart. We were motivated to build a go-kart after exploring different types of engineering, and we decided to pursue this to be able to take a list of materials and turn it into a finished product, one that we can use and take pride in building. Starting from scratch, we had to decide the materials we wanted to use and how we wanted to go about construction. Because we knew we would most likely have to make some changes along the way, we decided to use nuts and bolts during the construction process and weld everything once it was complete. This would allow us to easily alter the infrastructure when necessary.
Wow, look at that.
After completing the frame, we added wheels and a steering system. Because our frame was wider than what the steering system accounted for, we had to weld an extension piece. Once the steering system was set up and the wheels were secured, we attached a seat. We constructed our own rear axle that provided stability and set way for a brake system. We mounted the engine and set up the throttle and brake lines. The throttle lines ran from the pedal under the frame of the back of the cart up to the engine, where it connected directly to the throttle. We set up a throttle spring to give the right amount of gas to the engine while it accelerated. We also set up the brake system with a brake collar around the rear drive wheel, which would constrict on the wheel when we pressed on the brake pedal. The pedal was attached to the brake line that ran under the cart to the collar around the drive wheel. That way, when we pushed on the pedal, enough tension would be generated to tighten the brake collar and slow the car down. Unfortunately, the go-kart suffered damages when it was run into a ditch. It was concluded there was a mechanical error with the retraction of the throttle line, so we used our situation as an opportunity to learn from our mistakes and improve the safety of our go-kart. Our new go-kart features a frame that is more narrow towards the front so that the pedals are closer together, making it more comfortable for the driver. Additionally, the steering system has a more narrow setup, creating additional room. After putting the go-kart to the test, we were able to reach a top speed of 34.3 miles per hour.